Historic flooding in August left Hart Park Stadium in Wauwatosa badly damaged. Its turf folded like an accordion.
Tonight, council members are discussing a $600,000 fix. Now, if you pay taxes in Tosa, there's a chance you won't be on the hook for repairs. Here's 12 News' Duke Carter.
Amy Stouffer says Hart Park is much more than just a football field.
People celebrate their lives here, so Leff's is super important to the community.
Stouffer works at Leff's Lucky Town across the street from the park. Historic flooding in August damaged the park stadium and turf field, which hurts nearby shops and restaurants like Leff's.
Especially in the summer where it's just like event after event after event, that when that part of it got destroyed and the stadium got destroyed and the parking lot got destroyed, it just really has had a huge impact on business.
City officials say damage to this facility include problems with the drainage system as well as damage to the bleachers as well as the turf field here. That's why Common Council is looking forward to approving that contract to get all of that fixed. The city received $1 million donation for flood recovery in August, and city officials want to use $600,000 of that to repair the field.
That field generates revenue for the park system and for the city, so it's very important that it's up and running.
If approved Tuesday night, Michigan-based AstroTurf Great Lakes would move forward to make repairs to the stadium bleachers, drainage system, and turf.
The field itself is a source of civic pride. It's used by the school district and other organizations, so it's an important part of just the recreational activities.
Reporting in Wauwatosa, Duke Carter, WISN 12 News.
And if approved tonight, city council or city officials rather say work would start in February.